everyone, welcome to Dr. Prim's Thought Space. I am Primrose Jikomborero Joylene Bima, and I create content about research, career development, and wellness. This video, of course, is about wellness because it's my solocation in Namibia. I am super excited. This place has been on my mind and heart for the longest time and has been my dream tourism destination. So this is indeed a dream come true. Many thanks to God Almighty, of course, for always making things happen for me. And congratulations to me for working, saving, and taking on this brave experience. So clap hands for me. I hope this inspires you to also do the same if you've always endeavored to go on a solocation, or in case you're afraid to do so. Without further ado, this is an intro video, so there will be more videos in this Namibia series. Do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss notifications for the next one. Thank you to all those that have already subscribed. Thank you to all of you that are watching, and please remember to like and share for wider reach as we grow Dr. Prim's Thought Space. So I will briefly take you through what is on my list in terms of the places that I'm going to see. However, just to kickstart, I am currently in Etosha, where I will be spending the night prior to a half-day safari tour. Super excited about that because I love seeing animals. However, I already noticed on our way here that because there have been like rains over the past week, many animals were not in sight at the water holes because, of course, they have many more water sources. Wow. Good for the animals, but might be a bummer for people like me who want to see the most. However, I do believe that I will still see amazing fauna and flora along the way tomorrow. Okay, so that's Etosha. And then we are going to go to Skeleton Coast on the next day. We will also pass through Damaraland. We will see the Brandberg, Zila Shipwreck. I'm not too sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly. We've got Squawkopmund on the plan as well. Cestrium, Solitaire, Tropic of Capricorn, Susuvle, and the Deadvlei, which are also key places that I wanted to see that were on my top 3 list. So my top 3 was Etosha National Park, and then Susuvle and the Deadvlei. And of course, we're going to see the desert. We're going to go up to see Dune 45. I'm super excited about that. I can't wait for my feet and hands to touch desert sand. This is also home to the world's oldest desert, so very significant also for me. We are also going to see the Cestrium Canyon before eventually going back to Windhoek, and I hope to do a bit of some sightseeing in the capital city of Windhoek as well. This trip will take between 5 and 8 days. So I've got time, hey? Sometimes being unemployed comes with its own blessings. That is, of course, if you have something that has already been stored for tourism or other activities. So that's it on my list. Last night I came through from Cape Town. It was late, it was at night, so pretty much nothing. So waking up in a new country, in a new city was more than exciting for me. And I loved every bit of our journey here, apart of course from the fact that our vehicle is so rocky. I'm not sure if it's the roads and a combination of the road and the vehicle. So that will prevent me from taking a lot of on-the-road footage, but I will share what I can when I have what I have to share. And at most, we'll also share a couple of pictures of what I love about being here. I personally love sunsets and I love clouds, so you will also see a bit of that along the way, and a bit of what I've also already told you in terms of the places that I'm going to visit. So I will not do any spoilers because, of course, at the time of recording, I don't know what these places look like in person. So please watch until the end and enjoy. Thank you for watching. So I don't think the safari will happen. Very sad. Time check, 6:45. We were supposed to be leaving now, but it's still raining and Our guide is yet to brief us on what to expect today. So one thing I quickly realized during the safari was, foremost, I didn't have the best camera to take videos and pictures of these animals. Secondly, we were so far from them because we stayed on one path and the animals were further inland. And thirdly, animals either don't like to be disturbed or they are shy, so when they see the safari car, they tend to move away. However, I'll just show you snippets of what I saw along the way. And I have the best memory, of course, because I was there in person. The animals that I wanted to see. Ah, don't scare them away. I am living my childhood dream. Literally living in the wilderness. And these people gave me a house number that matches my age. Interesting. Hello everyone, welcome to my Etosha village home tour. I am going to be staying here by myself for the night. Super excited, glad we came during the day because of course then I can shine under the light and show you my space. Let's do this. Okay, so down here we have a chill spot. When I come back here, because I know I am, I need to bring my family. Wow. I don't know if my parents love the what, but I do. Okay, where does one start? As you can see, we have a fridge there and an air conditioner, and then there's the bed. Got my bags right here. Whew. Wow. Now, I feel like the best part about this room is the look. It is very classy and wild. How do you match the two? How do you match the two? This is my top billing moment. I am filming it whilst living in it. Wow. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. This place takes my breath away. So this is my balcony. Amazing. Also another chilling spot. Could come here at night, I think. Love it. Of course, there is no home, right, if you don't have the bathroom. So this is my spacious bathroom. Got the sink right here.
the shower and enter to the loo space. This is the loo.